Hello students, today we will learn about the position of principal maxima, minima, secondary maxima in diffraction pattern. Principal maxima is formed at the center of the screen by focusing the undiffracted beams from the slit by the lens. Principal maxima is the brightest and have the highest intensity. Minimas are the points of zero intensity formed at the screen. Between two successive minimas, we have a secondary maxima which are less intense maximas. These less intense maximas are formed on the either side of the principal maxima. If I0 is the intensity of principal maxima, then the intensity of first secondary maxima is I0 by 22, which is 1 upon 22 times of the intensity of principal maxima, and the intensity of second secondary maxima is I0 by 62, which is 1 upon 62 times of the intensity of principal maxima, and the intensity of third secondary maxima is 1 upon I0 upon 122, which is 1 upon 122 times of the intensity of principal maxima. Hence, the intensity of secondary maxima goes on decreasing from the center of the screen towards the ends. This is a major difference between diffraction and interference, because in interference we do not have any secondary maxima and the intensity is always constant from the center towards the end of the screen. Let delta is the phase difference between two end beams in a collection of end diffracted beams. Let A sin theta is the path difference between two end beams in a collection of end diffracted beams. Principal maxima is formed by the undiffracted beams which have a path difference 0 and a phase difference 0. Since the path difference between undiffracted beams is 0, hence it is always formed at the center of the screen where the beams meet in the same phase. Secondary maxima is formed by the diffracted beams which have a phase difference of odd multiple of pi and a path difference of odd multiple of lambda. Minimas are formed by the diffracted beams which have a phase difference of even multiple of pi and a path difference of integral multiple of lambda.